Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a look at a very interesting and versatile kitchen appliance, the 3-in-1 multi-baker with interchangeable cooking panels. This compact device is designed to help you prepare a variety of homemade snacks and desserts quickly and easily. Thanks to the removable plates, you can switch between different cooking styles depending on what you want to make. One of the most exciting features is the ability to cook waffles, corn dogs, and nut-shaped cookies using the same appliance. Instead of buying multiple kitchen gadgets, this multi-baker combines everything into one compact solution. Changing the panels is very simple and takes only a few seconds. This makes the appliance convenient for everyday use and allows you to experiment with different recipes whenever you want. The non-stick coating is another big advantage. Food doesn't stick easily to the plates, which means you can cook with less oil and spend less time cleaning afterward. The heating system works quickly and distributes heat evenly, helping your waffles become crispy outside and soft inside while giving corn dogs and pastries a delicious golden finish. Its compact design also makes storage easy, even in smaller kitchens. The appliance looks modern and stylish, making it a nice addition to any countertop. Overall, this 3-in-1 multi-baker is a practical and fun kitchen appliance that brings versatility, convenience, and creativity to home cooking. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your thoughts in the comments below.